Hello everyone, this is Matthew from I Love Free Software TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Android phone screen with friends. To do that, I'm going to use a free Android app called PlayJ. This app lets you share phone screen with others with video chat. Install this app from the Play Store and create an account on it. You can use your Google or Facebook account for sign up. After creating the account, invite your friends to join this app and add them to your contact in this app. Once done, select the friends with whom you want to share the screen and then what screen you want to share. You can share the entire screen or choose a specific installed app to share that app screen only. After that, choose Chat and Share Screen option and click the launch button to start the screen sharing. This app opens the video chat feed in picture-in-picture mode and share your screen with your friends. You can place these feeds anywhere on your screen and hide them as well. This way, you can use this app to shop together, browse social media together, share gameplay, and so on. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe us for more.